Hi, I'm Barney from JCC, and today I'm going to talk to you about the RadiaLED Rapid. On the rear, you can see we've moulded this lip in around the edge, so when the product is surface mounted to a wall or ceiling, it's perfectly flush. The tray comes with a pre-wired flex on the driver and a security strap, which allows the tray to hang from the base. So when you're up a ladder, this makes affixing much easier. We've moulded 4 press release pillars into the base. You don't need any tools to fasten the tray into the base. To make the installation as fast and easy as possible, you can see there are 4 side conduit entry points and 2 rear cable entry points. We've redesigned the silicon gland using a much softer silicon and designed 2 small cable entry points, which allows for loop-in, loop-out cables. When you purchase the emergency RadiaLED Rapid LED bulkhead, the emergency gear and driver are already affixed to the back of the tray. This makes the installation plug and play, and it also allows for simple upgrades and maintenance in future projects. So of course, one of the most important things about the LED bulkhead is how it emits light. And we've combined this radial LED array with these new backlit chips to create this perfect uniformity of light across the face of the diffuser. There are 4 outputs available for the bulkhead in 8, 12, 16 and 24 watt. The RadiaLED Rapid is designed to be highly durable and to withstand the elements. Full polycarbonate, IP65, and it's UV stabilised to prevent any yellowing in sunlight.